all, this is Dr. Henanvi. Welcome to the online lecture on molecular docking series. This is part 3 of the molecular docking series. In this video, we are going to run docking using AutoDock Vina. After preparing required files in the working directory such as pdbqt files and the context file, now we are going to run Vina. For this purpose, we required command prompt. So let's start. So now you have in your working directory, you should have the pdbqt files of the ligands and receptor. You have the conf file. You should have the Vina setup files in the same directory where you are working. So now I'm just going to open command prompt. Command prompt. Command prompt is opened. Now you can give cd desktop. So you have to give the path where your file is. So it is in HP users HP desktop docking folder, and this is the docking folder where all our files are present. Now you can give the Vina command. Vina dot. So we are done with the command. So it's going, it's running. So it's working on it. Once it is 100% complete, then we'll have the results. So here you have the results. It gives you the energies of 9 different poses. This is the binding affinity in kilocalories per mole, and these are the RMSD values. So this is the pose that gives you better affinity with the protein target. So we can have, let's check the working directory. We will have the out file and the log file. So let's check. So we have now the log file and the out file. So if you just click on the log file, so here you can see that in this you can see that the same output is shown over here, and these are 9 different poses with different energy and RMSD values. So let's have a look on the output files. So for visualizing the output files, you can visualize the output files in the PyMOL, or you can visualize the output file in the Discovery Studio or in Chimera or any other visualizing softwares. Now let us visualize the output file in PyMOL. So I'm just clicking on PyMOL. Here you can drag your protein pdbqt files. So this is, you can drag your protein file here, and also you can drag the out files over here. Okay. So, and here you can see the first conformation of the molecule, first pose with maximum binding affinity with the target, and here you have all the metal lines also. Let me just show you. You can also see different poses. If I just, now this is the second pose, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. This is the 9th. So these are all 9 poses shown by the software, and then you can, I'm just moving back. So you can visualize different binding interactions with the target, and you can select the pose. Binding of this molecule with the target is not that good. You can change your ligand and you can modify the ligand for better binding. So this is all about binding through AutoDock Vina. It's better to take an example from literature, reproduce that result using your own software and compare the results. If the binding energy is more or less, and then you can see if it's work or not. So this is all about the protocol of docking through AutoDock Vina. Thanks for watching.